Welcome. Let's start with a simple but familiar feeling. We're growing fast, but everything feels messy. Sales, support, and accounts are all disconnected. What should we do? If you've ever asked this, you're not alone. Let's walk through what's really happening and how to fix it. Your business is growing fast. More leads, more customers, more people. But instead of feeling smooth, it feels chaotic. Sales, support, and accounts are operating in silos, and no one has a full picture. Let's fix that. This problem has a name: growth friction. It creeps in when your operations don't keep up with your growth. What worked when you were small just doesn't work anymore. You'll see the signs. Repeating the same data across tools, teams missing updates, delays in response time, and customers noticing the gaps. Your business is working harder but not smarter. When systems don't talk to each other, every small task takes 3 times longer. People waste time chasing updates and mistakes happen more often. You start losing time, money, and sometimes even trust. The instinct is to throw more tools at the problem. But more tools without structure just add to the confusion. The answer isn't more apps, it's smarter operations. Think process first. Define how a lead becomes a customer, how support is looped in, and when finance enters. Then use automation to make those handoffs seamless, so every department is aligned. Once the flow is right, everything changes. Your team is in sync. Your decisions are based on real-time data. Customers notice the difference, and your growth becomes sustainable. If you're feeling the friction right now, this is your sign to fix it. You don't need more tools, you need better flow. And if you'd like personal help, join us at Zenoh, our live weekly chat where we solve real business problems together. No fluff, no pressure, just real answers. See you there.